Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life. To fully harness the power of generative AI, there's an important skill you need to learn: prompt engineering. Now, you might be wondering, what is prompt engineering? Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Prompt engineering is simply the art of asking the right questions or giving clear, specific instructions to the AI. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Think of it like giving directions. The clearer you are about where you want to go, the faster and more accurately you'll reach your destination. Let's consider an example. Say you're an educator creating an introduction for a post about AI in education. How will you interact with ChatGPT to assist you in the job? No worries, you just need to write a prompt, write a post about AI in education. However, you'll get a broad and general response since the prompt is generic and not focused. As you can see, the answer is going on getting generated, and it is a generic and lengthy one. But if you ask the AI, write 3 different introductory paragraphs for a blog about how AI is transforming education for teachers, you're providing a much clearer direction. And the result will be more focused and aligned with your needs. Now, let us repeat the same prompts for Gemini. Here is the first one: write a post about AI in education. And you get a generic response, while with the second one, write 3 different introductory paragraphs for a post about how AI is transforming education for teachers. The answer is far more focused. Let us consider another example entirely different from the previous ones. This is a dummy dataset of ad spend and sales for the last quarter. I will now upload this data to ChatGPT. I wish to analyze the correlation between ad spend and sales. Therefore, my prompt will be: analyze the correlation between ad spend and sales for the last quarter. Let us wait for a while it analyzes. And here is the analysis with visualization. The output reveals the Pearson correlation coefficient between ad spend and sales for the last quarter is approximately 0.98, indicating a very strong positive correlation. This suggests that as ad spend increases, sales also tend to increase in almost perfect proportion. Isn't it amazing? Gemini offers the advanced capability of describing images. Let's explore how it functions. Consider this example. I have an image of an ice cream, which I will upload to Gemini. Along with the upload, I will provide a prompt requesting a blog post based on the attached image. Notably, I will refrain from mentioning any specifics about the image or its content. Here is our prompt: write a post about the attached image for a blog. And here comes the response with a detailed post for a blog, which also identifies the image as that of a strawberry ice cream. Your job is done in the glimpse of an eye. I urge all of you to test and write the prompts along with me so that you can see the magic happening in front of your eyes on your own computer. Okay, so you must be excited and eager to see generative AI in action. This is an image of a few pages from a science chapter for grade 10 students. As a science teacher, I wish to quickly set a test paper for my students worth 20 marks to assess their knowledge. I will now upload the image of those pages to Gemini and provide my prompt. You are a science teacher for grade 10. Create a question paper for standard 10 students from the attached document for a 20 marks class test. And here is my question paper. And that's not all. I have the answer keys as well for grading. Magic happens. Try this with different prompts for any of the subjects that you love teaching to your class. This time, let us try with a prompt for a management professor. This is an image of a few pages from a marketing book for management students. As a management professor, I wish to set a test paper for my students worth 20 marks to assess their knowledge. I will now upload the image of those pages to Gemini and provide my prompt. You are a marketing management professor for a management institution. Create a question paper for management students from the attached document for a 20 marks class test. And in no time, the question paper is ready. You may try other prompts for different other assignments for your students. Finally, let us try with a prompt for an engineering professor. This time, we will try with a PDF document and with ChatGPT. These are first few pages from a computer science book for engineering students. As an engineering professor, I wish to set a test paper for my students worth 20 marks to assess their knowledge. I will now upload the PDF to ChatGPT and provide my prompt. You are an engineering professor for an engineering college. Create a question paper for engineering students from the attached document for a 20 marks class test. And immediately the question paper is ready. You may practice with both ChatGPT and Gemini crafting other prompts for different other assignments and subjects for your students. Happy learning, and see you in the next session. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.